Hello, this is a tutorial for my Lego puzzle box G-White, I think. So, 4x6 plate, as usual, and then you take smooth pieces and place them like this, like in the middle. Then take, for example, white pieces here. I use my colors, change colors if you want, like this. Then take two 1x6, 6, yeah, and place them there. Take two 1x2s, and then you place 1x1 stud and then a 3x1, and do that on the other side. And now you need another 6x1. Put maybe another 6x1. No, don't do that. Need to do this. Then place a 4x2, 4x1 under here, and then a 6x1 smooth, and then a 4x1 smooth maybe. And here's the key. So that you want to push here and slide this in, and this you just take a 1x4 under a 2x4. Place it like this. Here's the bottom. The next level of 4, you wanna take a maybe a 6x4 or a 2 4x6x2s, but place them like this. And yeah. Then you take two 1x2s with 2 holes in under the studs, and on that one side you want to place a piece, technically piece like this, and put it in so this is on the inside. Put it like that, and then maybe this. Yeah, you need it. 1x1 with hole, and that's for the key. We'll put it in later. Two 1x4s, put them here and here, and then roof on top of that, and then you put another roof with a 1x1 stud here, right for the keyhole, and just slide this in, and then the key. You can push like this a little, maybe for, I don't know, and put it on top, and there you go. Bye.